Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Privacy and Security section. Under Privacy and Security section, click on Site Settings. Scroll down to Content section. Click on JavaScript. Toggle the button next to Blocked to turn it on. This is how you can enable JavaScript on Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.